Hey folks, it's Ryan here at Bell Camper Sales, coming to you with a 360 video of our 2021 KZ Sport Trek 251 VFK. That's 251 VFK. This is the one with the front kitchen here. This, like I said, this is a 360 video, so if you want to follow me around as I talk about these features, feel free. If you want to scroll and zoom in, look at what you want here. So we'll start right here in the front kitchen here. We got our nice sized refrigerator, battery operated, so we'll run off the 12-volt battery. Got a nice little size freezer there as well. We've got storage underneath, storage on the side, plenty of room for your pantry, all the food you want to put in there. To the left of it, we've got our 3-burner stove. Has a little top here that will fold down, give you additional counter space. Got our nice microwave here. Nice counters, scratch resistant. Got our nice size sink here, more storage here underneath the sink. Plenty of room to put the pots and pans. This one also is equipped with a oven. You've got your outlets here at the front, so you can plug in a coffee maker if you want. Storage over top here as well. Moving over here to the dinette. Dinette does break down and you can sleep two there comfortably if you got two small kids. This is inside the super slide, so it's also got the dinette and the J-knife sofa in it. J-knife sofa will break down into a bed as well. Drop down just like that. Easy storage. When you're ready to put it up, just pick it up, set it back. So you can sit there, enjoy the nice view of the TV. You got your fireplace down there as well, so if you want to turn on, heat the living room area, fireplace will do it. So got more storage here over top. Lights you can turn on and off, not just from the switch. Alright, that's pretty much the front kitchen here and living area. Alrighty guys, now we're here in the bedroom. We'll do a video here for the bedroom and the bathroom. Like I said, if you want to scroll around and look at all the features here, just feel free to scroll and look at what you want. Or you can follow me around as I talk about it. Got our nice size window here, it does have the slide shade. Got our storage here, can hang up clothes there like your little wardrobe. Got the nightstands on the back side there with your plug-ins and USB cord attachments. More storage over here. Like I said, you can hang your clothes up in there if you like. If you want to put a TV up, this is where you would put your TV. Again, those shades just slide down if you want it. It's too bright in here for you. And inside here we've got our bathroom. So we've got the toilet right here. Got a nice size shower. Just slides open there. You got the pull down head there, so if you want to shower yourself, feel free. The sink is located back behind the door here. Got a nice medicine cabinet above with a mirror so you can see yourself, brush your teeth in the morning. And that's pretty much it, guys. Come see us down here at Bell Camper Sales. We'll get you camping.